And welcome, President Anthony Wells addressing the membership.
Hi, I'm Anthony Wells, President of the Social Service Employees Union, Code 371, a mighty union. I just want to have a conversation with you today about what's going on and to thank you. Thank you for your prayers, words of comfort, and concern as I battled the COVID-19 virus. I was hospitalized, and thank God I was subsequently released. And during that period and after, I received so many words of comfort, words of concern, prayers, and I thank you for all of them. I was blessed by God to recover, and I'm still recovering. This scourge is real. People are getting sick. Luckily, not many people are dying as during the apex of this disease, but it's not over. We need to still take precautions like wearing masks, social distancing, washing our hands, and regulating who we comes around us. We're in a new world. The world as existed in early March doesn't exist anymore. And we do not know what the world will look like in the future. But we all can help to ensure that we take as many precautions to reduce the risk of catching and spreading this disease. We don't know when the city will open up its offices. But I can assure you this, that we will be there to have discussions to make sure that the office is as equipped as it can be to reduce the risk of you catching this disease. We have another scourge, and that was the scourge of racism and the murder and death of black men and women at the hands of law enforcement. This was highlighted by the public lynching of George Floyd. That generated an outrage across this nation and across the world that enough is enough. Many people did not know, did not understand the scourge and the brutality of racism and the conditions that black people have faced in this country for 400 years. Got it. There are movements. And these are not movements of the moment, but movements directed at creating change, creating a crisis. And out of crisis comes change. And there have been some changes, but not nearly enough. But as time goes on, we will find out. And it doesn't separate us from having our votes, participating in the political process as well. For us at home, on our front, we should continue to meet the challenges of servicing our members every day. Even though we're working remotely, I expect the same level of services to be conducted by our office and our staff as much as we can. So feel free, and I encourage you to reach out to your union when you need help or you have questions. As we move forward, some of our challenges we're going to face are budgetary challenges, appropriateness of offices, cautions being taken, the daily treatment of our members, and an understanding and compassion for those members who are going through whatever crisis they are. As a disease affects us differently, so does the crisis, and so does the level of stress. We must be understanding on all those levels. We must become tolerant, but not accepting. But as in this whole crisis demands, survival is our number one goal. And it will happen. So I say to you, thank you for all the work that you've done in locations and at home. Whether you worked in a shelter, juvenile justice center, Rikers Island, hospitals, agencies, offices, going to the field to prevent child abuse and elder abuse, public engagement, and so many other places. I thank you on behalf of the 22,000 members of SSEU Local 371. Thank you. Be careful. God bless you, and God bless the union.
Everywhere we go, people wanna know who we are. The Mighty Union. Everywhere we go, people wanna know who we are. Everywhere we go, people wanna know who we are. The Mighty The mighty, mighty union.